Welcome to WigJig Video University. In this episode, we're going to discuss how to make an open jump ring. And you can see some examples of open jump rings here. This is roughly medium in size. This is a little bit larger. And we're going to make these jump rings using the short segment of about 2 inches of wire. We're going to use a tool called fine step jaw pliers to make the jump ring. The fine step jaw pliers allow us to make a jump ring in a small, medium, or large size, and you can see the medium and the large size jump rings here. We're going to make a large size jump ring using this step of the step jaw pliers. We begin by putting the wire through the jaws of the step jaw pliers, and we're just going to grip it like that. And now that I'm going to make a small coil on the step jaw pliers by making a loop that goes around more than one time, about 1.5 times around. So I've made a loop. You can see it's a small coil, and it's more than a full 360-degree circle of wire. The reason that we need more than a full circle is that the beginning segment of this loop, where it just started, is straight, so it's not perfectly circular. So what we need to do is cut that beginning segment off, and I'm going to cut it off with my flush cutter, and the flat side of my flush cutter will be towards the finished jump ring. And so I'm going to just cut it so that I'm cutting through one thickness of the wire, and I cut like that. So now the initial part of that jump ring is rounded, and now I have to cut the second side of the jump ring, and I cut at the point where the ring starts to overlap, just like that. Again, with the flat side of my flush cutter towards the finished jump ring. And our finished open jump ring looks like this. You can see with the jump ring that we can open it with our bent chain nose pliers like this. Use that to connect 2 components together, and then we close it up like that. And that's our finished jump ring connector.